For this equation here, if we are to solve, in order to solve for x, we want to get rid of the denominator. Here is x plus 1, x minus 1, and x squared minus 1. Since we have a difference of square, I'm going to do this first. I'm going to deal with the difference of square. I am not getting this. Okay? Your LCD is not this. Please don't do this. It will kill a lot of your brain cells if you decide to go with this LCD. This is gigantic. It's not going to work out very well. Your LCD is not this one. We can figure out the LCD by factoring anything possible first. And here in this case, the denominator on the right-hand side can actually be factored into x minus 1, x plus 1. X plus 1, x minus 1. And now we've considered all the denominator. And this is actually what we want for the LCD. But we are not making each of them the same denominator. We actually will multiply each of them by the LCD. This is to eliminate the denominator for each part. Like what I've done so far, I'm going to copy the questions here and leave out a lot of space in between. And I will multiply each of them by the LCD. This is to eliminate the denominator. There will be space that can be reduced. We only multiply the LCD to the numerators, not the denominator. That is for adding and subtracting. We did it last time. This time we are solving equations and the LCD will go to the numerator. And this is to reduce with the denominator. Look for like terms and cross out whatever is in common. Giving us this times that, and that one on the right hand side. So this is from group number 1. This is from group number 2. And this is from group number 3. Once again, since there is a minus here, when you try to subtract things here, this is going to turn into a minus. This will turn into a minus. So 2x squared minus 2x minus 5x minus 5 equals x squared minus 17. I'm basically copying what I have from the previous line, except for that sign in the second term. This is once again a quadratic. We can solve a quadratic equation. We've been doing this since September, solving quadratic equation in almost every single unit. And back to this, or you can solve it using the quadratic formula. Either way, you should end up with x equals 3 and x equals 4. In this unit, the focus isn't on solving the quadratic. The focus is on finding the LCD and removing the denominator in step number 1. So if you want to solve an equation like this, the answer itself, I'll say, I'm not going to wait much on the final answer. Probably 0.5 mark for your answer itself. Most of your mark will be designated to the very beginning. Getting your LCD and then removing your denominator. So make sure you know where the focus is and spend more time on those